This is DZEC 1062 kHz Radyo Aguila, a commercial AM station owned and operated by the Eagle Broadcasting Corporation with license from the National Telecommunications Commission with station license number DSD-021-2021-0937, authorizing this station to operate until December 31, 2024. DZEC 1062 Radyo Aguila broadcasts from 4 o'clock in the morning until 12 o'clock midnight with a power of 40,000 watts. Our studio is located at number 25 Central Avenue, Diliman, Quezon City. And our transmitter is located at Barangay Paliwas, Obando, Bulacan. DZEC 1062 Radyo Aguila is under the supervision of the following personnel duly licensed by the Professional Regulation Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Electronics Engineer Erickson Ventura, ECE number 44844. Electronics Engineer Arturo Pascua Jr., ECE number 43934. With first-class radio telephone operators. Our studio personnel, Enrico Erdite, registration number 94-1RTG-7204. Gracious Pascual, registration number 92-3PNCR-352. Our transmitter personnel, Mervin Ortiz, registration number 94-1PNCR-10851. Ronel Mariado, registration number 13-1PNCR-26656. DZEC 1062 kHz Radyo Aguila now welcomes you to another day of broadcasting activity. Decades of excellence in broadcast communication. EBC, Eagle Broadcasting Corporation. Ito ang Radyo Aguila. DZEC 1062 sa Mega Manila, WIM 1080 sa Northern Luzon, DZEL 1260 sa Southern Saga, UYFX 1305 sa Visay at DXED 1224 sa Southern Mindanao. Ito ang Radyo Aguila. Mabilis, malakas, mapapagaspa. Narito ang mga balitang tinutukan ng mata ng Agila. Aabot sa 2 toneladang shabu na kumpiska sa lalawigan ng Batangas. Sinkhole, nabuo dahil sa tagas ng tubo ng tubig. Ilang bahagi ng Sales Road sa Pasay, isinara. Pilipinas, nababahala sa lumalalang hidwaan ng Israel at ng Iran. 4 na Pinoy na sakay ng barkong kinumpiska ng Iranian authorities nitong Sabado, nasa ligtas na kalagayan. Metro Manila, hindi nakaligtas sa heat index, nasa pagitan ng 39 hanggang 40 degrees Celsius. 9 na lugar sa bansa, nasa dangerous heat index pa rin. Dagdag presyo ng mga produktong petrolyo, ipatutupad bukas. Grupong Piston at Manibela, bigong paralisahin ang transportasyon sa Metro Manila. Pagbabayad at paghahain ng income tax returns natapos na ngayong araw ayon sa BIR. At sa police beat, anak binaril ang sariling ama sa Bulacan, 3 iba pa sugatan.